Hello, I am pleased that you are interested in ISO style. ISO style is a new dance style and was developed by myself. This is where the male expression of today's street dance is combined with dynamic hip kicks and soft internal movements from Oriental dance. ISO style connects the culture codes of the Orient with the Occident, femininity with masculinity, the conventional with the modern, and sensuality with schemes. ISO style not only helps you to achieve a more attractive appearance and physical fitness, it is also a dance medium, a tool to actively work on your personal integrity and thereby your presence. Street dance. Developed in the ghettos of America, b-boying, breakdance, hip-hop, poppin', lockin', house, and the new school hip-hop, the new style, is based on the basic idea of the battle and the gain of fame, whereby the battle, in contrast to gang wars and brawls, they are fought out in dance without physical violence. Fame should serve as an incentive to improve one's dancing skills and to develop one's own freestyle. Street dance is characteristically masculine and dynamic. Oriental dance is also based on freestyle and has its origin in Egypt. It's the street dance of the Middle East. The ancient female dance form, which consists of natural movements in the pelvic area, is commonly known as belly dance. The Oriental dance is very popular worldwide and is characteristically feminine, soft and flowing. ISO style. ISO style is danced from the center of your body. The natural movements of Oriental dance, mostly in the pelvic area, is now combined with the dynamic movements of street dance. The interaction of body isolation and steps makes it possible to experience a flow quickly. In addition, your inner body flexibility improves. Feeling and expression come quickly because you can feel the rhythm out of you without thinking too much about steps. ISO style is an expression of dynamism and sensuality, sometimes soft, sometimes explosive, sometimes hard, sometimes sensitive. With ISO style, you have an expanded experience of yourself. You learn dance forms of expression from men and women and can playfully explore your own body expression. In this way, you feel your feminine and masculine side in you, the yin and yang. Do you want to become an ISO style dancer? Expected results: desire to exercise, strong back, mobility, erect posture, good looking, strength and endurance, vitality, body awareness, relaxation, integrity. Hey, Sonia here, and I will teach you now your ISO style dance choreography. For this showcase, I've chosen one typical ISO style move, and I will teach you now the ISO style double kick. Stand in second position and bend your both legs. Make sure you keep an upright posture. You want a nice good posture in your lower back. Make sure that it doesn't feel like your pelvis and your hips are tilted while doing this. The deeper you can go, the freer your hips are. It's also a very good stretch for your calf and upper leg muscles. So go down, but only go to your comfort level. This move also helps to stretch the lower back, but it's also going to engage the abdominal, the glutes and the hamstrings.
Now we are doing again the ISO style kick. This time we go twice to the right and twice to the left in an ISO style kick, performing the ISO double kick. Right hip side back to the center, left hip side back to the center.
5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Great! You've learned to dance the ISO style double kick. Now let me show you how it looks in combination with other moves.
done!
Did you enjoy it? If yes, check out my YouTube channel. There you can find the first ISO style dance choreography chapter 1 for free. Do you want to learn more about ISO style? Then go to Udemy. There you will find 16 moves divided into 4 chapters. So enjoy ISO style and let your body move.
Your body move, feel the beat. Come on, feel the groove and let your body move it. Come on, feel the groove and let your body move. Feel the beat. Come on, feel the groove and let your body move it. Come on, feel the groove and let your body move. Come on, feel the groove and let your body move it. Come on, feel the groove and let your body move. Come on, feel the groove and let your body move it.